Today let us learn how to remove weed and how to remove it properly. Now this weed is actually in my grass and I don't want to make a big patch, so what I'll do, I'll use this thing, any sharp object will work, but it shouldn't be too wide. I mean the thickness shouldn't be too wide. And what I normally do, I try to make a hole right next to the root. So the idea here is to remove the weed from root, because if you pull it you can break the root, and that will not really help, because if you don't remove the root it will come back. And we have a friend here. Hello. Okay, I'll try not to harm the animal. Okay, so the earthworm is out of the way, so what I'll do, I'll try to see if it is loose. It is not loose, so I'll try to make a hole. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to loosen the root. Okay, these weeds are really nasty, they don't look good. Okay, so this one is, I believe, looking fine. I think I removed it from the root. Come on, I'm trying to focus. Okay, so this one was successfully removed. Let me remove one more. Okay, I think there is one here. This one, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let us remove this one. So I'll make a hole, make sure the root is loose. You can also buy chemicals. I think there are some chemicals that you can use to kill the weeds, but I prefer to remove them. Why use chemicals in your garden? Okay, this one is also looking good. Okay, I think I'll remove this one as well. This one is slightly big. Normally what I do, I try to gather all the leaves. This one is a bit deep. Come on. So I think, although I removed the weed, but there is still some root inside, which is not good. So now you know how to remove it properly and how not to remove it as well. Alright, I hope you learned something today. Bye.